You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce these names from Arabic. If you want to learn more Middle Eastern names pronounced correctly, make sure to stay tuned. Got many more, I'll link to a few at the end for you of this video. Ghassan. Arabic pronunciation, how to pronounce Ghassan. If you cannot pronounce Arabic perfectly, you can simply replace the beginning with an H sound. Hassan. Hassan is fairly close. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.